You gotta get creative with SaaS pricing in 2023. Using multi-year contracts with ramp pricing makes it easier to close in this market while locking in a bigger ARR a year or two from now. Getting it to work inside your RevOps stack is almost impossible. I'm Chad from Cacheflow, and today I'm going to show you in 60 seconds how I use our product to structure and close ramp contracts. Let's say me and a prospect agree to a 2-year deal with a 30% platform discount in year 1. I can make this change in Cacheflow from here. And when year 2 starts, Cacheflow auto updates the billing cycle, payment collection, and your accounting backend. Another common pricing scenario is a 3 to 5% increase year over year. SaaS companies often have this baked into the contract, but struggle or even forget to collect that increased amount. With Cacheflow, you can set this up once and run renewals and yearly price increases on autopilot. For you, this means no more renewal spreadsheets or manually invoicing and billing, just easier closing and a happier finance team. If you'd like to see how Cacheflow can help you do the same, book a 30-minute product tour on our site.